Welcome to World Geography with M.Adnan. Today's tutorial is related to how we extract our study area from raster data. So let's start it. As you can see, we have this shapefile. With the help of shapefile from the study area of this NDVI, so I can add it again because after some confusion it not showing, but I'm take it from here. Yes, so we keep now it's will uploaded, so I escape it. So as you can see, our study area is this, and this have a combined mosaic raster images, so we need just extract this area from this image with the help of shapefile. So we search for extract by mask tool, and here is extract by mask tool. We select it and put here the raster data. Then we go here for a shapefile that name is AOI, and we keep its path like this one. Here AOI is area of interest. If you proceed and take in time, you will get it. Like one. So it will, as you can see, when it's completed, it will showing here. I escape it little bit. So as you can see, our data is extracted. Now I uncheck it and showing you this. Okay, so it will be extracted very well. So if you want to more taken formats like a district, so you can use the shapefile and you can extract it from desired area. Okay, so our process is complete and over there in front of you. So we change its color rank.